DocuSign supports signing documents using signer-held digital certificates. Signer-held certificates are typically issued after a preliminary physical identification and can be stored on a computer, a smart card, or a USB device. This process provides a high level of signer identity assurance because the certificate is uniquely linked to the recipient's identity, and the signer is in sole possession of the key and certificate. To require a recipient to sign with a signer-held certificate, first, add your documents and recipients. Then, click the Customize menu for the desired recipient. Click Select Signature Type and choose the desired certificate. DocuSign supports numerous signer-held certificates for various countries or regions around the world. Contact your administrator or legal counsel for guidance on which certificate to use. Continue preparing your envelope as usual. Then, click Send to send it for signature. To sign an envelope with a signer-held certificate, open the link in your email notification. You must open the envelope on a desktop or laptop computer. Then, complete all the fields assigned to you and click Continue. You will need to make sure that your signer-held certificate is accessible. If your certificate is stored on a USB device or smart card, you will need to connect the relevant device to your computer. If your certificate is stored on your computer, it should be automatically detected. If this is the first time you sign with a signer-held certificate, you will be prompted to install the DocuSign PKI software. Click Download and follow the prompts to complete the installation process on your computer. Once the software has been installed, return to DocuSign and click Next. Then, select your certificate. Additional steps might be required for some certificates, such as entering a PIN. DocuSign then verifies your certificate validity and applies your signature using your signer-held certificate. Once the envelope is completed, you can review the certificate of completion for more information on the certificate type and authority.